At the Los Angeles premiere of Spider-Man: Brand New Day, Tom Holland didn't just talk about the movie, he spent a good chunk of his interview talking about his wife. Speaking exclusively with E! News on July 27, Holland opened up about what it's like sharing the screen with Zendaya, both in the new Spider-Man film and throughout their careers together. He said her presence genuinely raises the entire game, explaining that every scene is simply better whenever she's in it, and that she pushes everyone around her to bring their best. He credited her with being truthful in every acting choice she makes, adding that he feels genuinely lucky every time they get to work together. Here's a question worth asking: why does their on-screen chemistry feel different from a typical co-starring relationship? Part of the answer lies in just how long this creative partnership has been building. Holland and Zendaya first appeared together back in 2017's Spider-Man: Homecoming, continuing through Far From Home and No Way Home, and most recently starring together in Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey. That's nearly a decade of shared scenes, on-screen history, and now, real-life marriage layered on top of it. Zendaya has spoken with equal admiration about Holland's approach to playing Peter Parker specifically, noting in a separate interview how much she respects the way he's carried the emotional weight of a character that means so much to so many people, especially younger fans, describing the way he's handled that responsibility as genuinely graceful. And speaking of their marriage, another detail emerged the same day that quickly grabbed headlines. Zendaya's longtime stylist, La Roche, addressed ongoing speculation about whether the couple might host a second, more public wedding, firmly shutting the rumor down. He explained simply that they'd successfully kept their private wedding private, and that fans should focus on celebrating two people who are clearly happy and in love, rather than expecting a second, more public event. So here's a bigger question worth reflecting on: does watching two actors who are also a genuine couple share the screen change how audiences experience a story? There's an argument that real trust and familiarity between performers often translates into more authentic feeling chemistry on screen, something that's been part of the ongoing appeal of Holland and Zendaya's collaborations for years. Spider-Man: Brand New Day hits theaters July 31st, giving fans their next chance to watch the dynamic play out on the big screen once again. So, what's your favorite on-screen moment between Tom Holland and Zendaya so far? Let me know in the comments. If you're excited for Brand New Day, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our full review.